Racing just is started with long nose of one man soul. Enjoy the flight is that on the inside top notcher. Senior Cricket comes next. Manila's Gem Myrea, while Luna Rosa is the trailer ram going along for the first turn. We have one man soul by our length and a half. Enjoy the flight in second top notcher. Senior Cricket alongside Fort Myrea. Luna Rosa long nose hawk, while Manila's Gem is still racing in eight back to the leader. We have one man soul by our length and a half. Enjoy the flight still in second. Senior Cricket is racing in third. Luna Rosa moving up on the outside. Myray top notcher long nose hawk, while Manila's Gem is still racing in less than a far turn. We have one man soul by about two lengths, and in second remains Enjoy the Flight. Myray now coming closer in third. Luna Rosa is running by the rail, and as they swing for home, one man soul by over the length. Enjoy the Flight moving up. Luna Rosa, Myray sorry outside with about 100 meters of the race. One man soul, Luna Rosa. Enjoy the Flight is running by the rail, and finally it's going to be one man soul close between Myray. Enjoy the Flight. Then comes Luna Rosa, long nose hook.